Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to stop Pinterest from accessing your photos. Whether you value privacy or just want to keep your camera roll separate from your pins, these easy steps will help you take control of your data. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your phone's settings. This is where you can manage all permissions for your apps. Once you're inside settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps, or sometimes it's called App Management depending on your phone's version. Tap on that to see a list of all the apps currently installed on your device. Next, scroll through the list until you find Pinterest. Once you spot it, tap to open the app's info page. This is where you can check what kind of access Pinterest has been given, like notifications, storage, and most importantly, permissions for your photos and videos. Now, select the option called Permissions. This section shows you exactly what Pinterest is allowed to access on your phone. Here's where you can make the change that really matters. Look for Photos and Videos and tap it. You'll see a few options appear on your screen. Choose the one that says Don't Allow. By doing this, you're stopping Pinterest from viewing, uploading, or saving anything from your personal gallery. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference in protecting your privacy. Once you finish that, you can go back and double-check that the setting has been updated correctly. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same place in your settings and adjust it again at any time. And that's it. You've just prevented Pinterest from accessing your photos. Keeping your personal content private doesn't have to be complicated. It just takes a few taps. If this guide helped you out, take a moment to like the video and share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.